Hey guys, good morning. Peter here, Forte Trader. April 29th, Monday strategy call. Hopefully you guys all had a good weekend. I had a video going for about 5 minutes. It all got ruined. You could probably hear my dog in the background. She's not going to stop talking because the wife has contractors over. So you'll have to bear with me because I got to get this strategy call done and move on, guys. I put on a trade earlier and just completely made me erase it. The trade is on. I'm in a soybean spread. So as I was talking to you guys, how we're doing this is we're putting things in our portfolio, in our watch list. Then we go in, and then I was waiting for a pullback on this. It's $50 a point for soybean. The outright, the spreads do the same thing. Okay, I explained that in my boot camp. I'm sorry, I'm looking at corn. This was the next trade I was going to take. I apologize. Soybean almost has the same pattern. Let me go ahead and just go to it. Here's a ZS. So here's that spread. And it's September versus January. Okay. Kind of a seasonal thing here. I was waiting for a bigger pullback. I didn't like the overall entry, but sometimes they don't really work that much. It might pull against me. It's $50 a point. I'm willing to risk it for the overall sell. Let me go back to. So remember what we're doing. We're just going to our trade book. Our watch list, and then just pull what we're looking at. Our next thing was going to be corn. I'm going to go ahead and pull that up on my margin calculator. Looks like the same thing. No. And if you're in doubt in the beginning about the months, just you could Google it. You could Google the whole thing and then the month and the year, and then just do /CME or whatever. It's ZCH20. CME, it's going to end up being the March corn. Okay. So we're trading which is September 19 versus March corn. And again, just to verify, just go into your browser, type it. U is going to be, I think it was September. Yeah. So September of this year versus March next year. Okay. The grain market. We're going to do corn. I'm going to be looking to sell this. So I'm selling the September. I'm buying March. Okay. Probably an old crop, new crop thing here. I don't know. All I know is it has it's a longer term trade, and it's going to give us a really good opportunity to make really good money per contract. So I'm going to pull up my span deal. I'm going to remove everything else that's in there. I'm going to add my corn for September. I'm going to just put one sell, and then ZCH20 for March. Obviously, we've checked. We're going to pull up the spread, and you'll see there's the volume already in this. And I just want to calculate that. This is a very affordable small deposit, $132 per contract. And maybe we'll just go 2 on this, is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna probably buy 2 contracts of this. Use your margin in your accounts accordingly, folks. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull up let me pull this up here, see if you guys can see the board. And I'm going to go ahead and just put in this. And for those of you guys that it looks like really complicated, it's not. If you take my boot camp, I've cut years and years of time of you trying to figure things out for you. U19 versus H20. There you go. And then you add that. Now, anytime I click on that, it'll show my chart. Look at your depth of market. Oops. Let me put that back in where it goes. It's the first time I'm dragging my screen around. Pretty nice depth of market. Boom. I'll go ahead and just put a sell here. We're selling this thing. But I wanted to do 2. Yeah, I'll put an order in here. Sell 2 of these. And I want to limit. And 2575. Good to cancel. Transmit. Boom. And I'm filled. That simple. So then you, again, what you guys want to do is just mark down your, the platform that I use, that third-party platform, to just kind of scan and look for stuff and keep track of things. Then just make sure you add that down from your watch list to your trade book, and then you put in what your order fill was. Okay, so completed orders today. As I told you, I had bought that soybean spread on the earlier video that I just completely redid because it was annoyingly loud here. And then negative 2575 on the corn spread. And then I want to mark these. I want to keep track of these. So I'm in these. I got 3 contracts total on those. Excuse me. And then what you want to just do is go back in and, look at your other stuff in your trade book. This is where one of the key things in how I come up on opportunities again is stuff that I'm already familiar with. So I have an alert for cattle. I love trading cattle. I'm waiting for a pullback to keep selling it again into the remainder of the year. Crude oil itself, it left me behind here on a couple of things. I might just wait for another pullback up into the top of the summer, etc. I'm going to keep this video short, guys. I got a lot to this Monday. I got these 2 trades on. I just wanted to do that strategy call with you guys. I wanted to show you just this little strategy call, guys. Just and show you what I'm doing, show you how I pull up the span margin so that I can see how I'm going to use my capital and get the most efficient strategy out of that by checking to see what the market is charging that day on where their volatility is, right? So anyways, this has been a challenge making the video today, but I wanted to get it out. So I'm live on those 2 contracts, and we'll pretty much put that again into our watch list. Okay, we'll put that into our trade book now, from our watch list to our trade book. Keep an eye on the trade book every day too, because those are things that you've touched. Those are markets you're familiar with, and the more familiar you get with it, the whole point to this whole thing and the boot camp and how I create this is, 1, get your money back for your education, make consistent gains. Don't be tied to the screens. This is not going to time you up now. I'm going to go on. I have things to do. I got to hop on a motorcycle and go into downtown. I got errands to run there, legal things to do. And then I'll follow up with it later on tomorrow. Or that's about it. I mean, and tomorrow morning, same thing, rinse and repeat. If easy works, there's no reason to change things, guys. I got that from another buddy, mentor of mine. If easy works, there's no reason to change things and overcomplicate stuff. This stuff works. It's easy. It makes you money. If it makes you lose, it's very minuscule, and you'll know exactly why by visually looking at trends that are on your side over long periods of time. There's nothing been easier than this. I've been at this 9 years now. I thought it was 6. I lost count at 6. But anyways, everybody have a good day. We'll do a follow-up tomorrow in the morning, and we'll see how these trades are going. We'll keep our eye on our old trade book. That's our strategy. Look and see if there's anything to get back up in there, because the more we do it, as I mentioned, you get more familiarized with the products you trade yourself. Now, that's about it. So have a good day, guys.